Hello, everyone.
Watch out! Watch out, there it goes. There it goes. It's out.
Dude, I just heard some... Were you trying to get my groceries? Oh, nope. Hi. I'm glad I caught you. How are you? How's it going? Yeah, I got my groceries before you did this time. All right.
When it's hot out, even a bear enjoys a swimming pool. This one didn't ask for permission. He just treated himself to a spa day in this backyard.
Oh my God!
This daredevil should really get life insurance, or better yet, one for each of his 9 lives.
Hi. No, oh my God, Rob.
This used to be his favorite place to sleep. If you put out some cat food outside, you'll attract all kinds of visitors. When the homeowner put these plants on their porch, they didn't realize they were setting the table for a whole family of wild boars. A bird got stuck in the pool and caught the dog's attention, not because he wanted to eat it, but for the opposite reason. He wanted to help, and in the end, he did.
Go ahead. He'll bring him out and set him down gently.
The owners of this house thought they had lost their shoes, but it turned out they were victims of a professional thief. The owner stepped outside to take out the trash, but this drama king thought he was being abandoned. Here's a sad animal fact. In their natural habitat, bears don't have someone to scratch their backs.
Rusty, what are you doing? I see you. Oh, hey there. Hey, Chewy. What are you guys doing? All right, stay. Oh, hi.
Look at the bird.
No, I don't want to witness murder. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Get that thing off my house. Oh, hell no. It's going toward my windows.
Oh, heck no.
Did you call her?
She answered.
Oh my God.
If you install a bird feeder in your backyard, be ready to attract all kinds of animals, even the ones that don't fly. Pigs are very social animals. This is how they greet each other. To deliver a package to this house, you have to get through a pretty strict security system.
What's up? Whoa, you got some height. Got some height, boy. Look at you. Got some height. Yeah. Hold on.
He's a pain in the neck, isn't he?
The delivery guy dropped off the order and went on his way, but the neighbor's dog caught a whiff of that delicious food and realized he'd gotten the address wrong.
Go. All right, we got the door open.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Close it.
We got him out.
It's for the Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. No. It's going for the other. No way. Hey, man! Get the out of here! Hey! Get out of here!
The referee has something planned for the loser. With these two on the job, the house will be safe.
gut?
It's not just AI that's taking people's jobs.
Hello. Quiere ladrar.
Yeah, I got a rabbit in my backyard, yo. My dog trying to get into it. I got him. Get him, B.
It might not look like it, but there's only one rabbit in this video.
Yo, I got a whole rabbit back here, yo.
Posey the cat was calmly hunting bugs when a raccoon wandered onto the property. At first, she was cautious, but once the raccoon stepped into the chicken coop, she didn't hesitate to show him who's boss. Rocky is a very self-sufficient dog. He doesn't need his owner to play fetch. This bear didn't want to wait for Halloween to get treats.
Oh my God, he's gonna look at him, look at him. He's balling it up. He's balling it up. Oh my God, he's gonna run away with this pashmina. Oh, babe, say goodbye to this pashmina. Look at him, he's making a ball out of it. No. Oh,
that's my fucking pashmina.
Get inside. Get inside. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh.
You're taking a picture?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that too.
The owner of this place put out some birdseed, but got a visit from some unexpected food experts. Having her own puppies wasn't enough, so she decided to adopt a kitten too. The owner decided to check in on his dog. Clearly, he's having a great time. When there are no kids around, the trampoline attracts a different kind of visitor. It was a hot day, but he was lucky enough to find a solution.
little bud? You grooming yourself? Or just sitting there with your belly out? Oh my God. Randy, you gotta put yourself together. What are you doing?
He must be chewing a bone in his dreams.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
The owner had no idea his home had turned into a ranch.